Hi everybody, welcome to the 1989 Taylor's version outfit ideas video. I'm so excited to be doing this. I've been waiting for months to film this video and it is finally time. I'm so excited. So we have a ton of outfits inspired by Taylor Swift's 1989 era, and since she just dropped her 1989 TV, I thought it would be super fun to recreate her outfits. My name is Elizabeth. Thank you for watching. I make a lot of fashion videos and lifestyle vlogs, so if that's your vibe, you should subscribe. I did the Speak Now era as well, so I'll link that video below if you want to see all the pieces from that. The first outfit is this black sequin outfit with these black Mary Janes. Now, I think the Mary Janes that I'm going to be wearing are the only thing that is not from Shein. And I love this outfit. I could not find a matching two-piece set, but I did pick up this black sequin skirt, like the big sequins, you know? Look how much this sparkles on camera. Oh man, that is so pretty. I really like this. I did pair it with this black top. Even though it's not the same type of sequins, it's still very pretty and sparkly, and this has like puffy shoulders, so it's kind of like a little bit 80s, but it's cute. And I would say if you're gonna buy this top, just know that the zipper up here on the side is really hard to zip. I actually could not zip it by myself. So if you catch that, that's why I couldn't get it, no matter how hard I tried. And I actually think that most of the stuff is a large, but for the skirt, I would have upsized to an extra large just because my butt is so big. And the skirt, it makes the skirt look really short just because of how big my butt is. Can't do anything about it. Next, here is the sequin dress that I wore. She has a sequin blazer dress that she wears on her 1989 tour. And I do believe that that was on the world tour. And this one's not as sparkly as the black shirt and skirt, but it's still super cute. It is a bit see-through, so if you're gonna buy it, just know that. But it's so pretty. And I love how it looks on as well. It looks a little cheap, if I'm being honest, but it's so super pretty. I would wear this for like New Year's Eve or something like that. That's not, you know, I don't want to spend a ton of money because like if you're going out and gonna be around a ton of people, I tend to spill things on myself a lot. I tend to get stains on my clothes a lot. So if that's you, then you might just want to get this from Shein. This is a really great holiday piece, but specifically I love that it's inspired by Taylor Swift, okay? It's pretty sweet, right? She looks fantastic in hers. Her style and her eye is just fabulous. Like I want to know if she styles herself. Like, does she pick her outfits or does somebody do it for her? I'm very curious. So if you know, let me know, because I like don't know all this I'm not a super Swiftie. Like I don't know every single fact about her, but I do love her style and I think she's like one of the most creative human beings. So next I have a dress inspired by one of Taylor's music videos, which is Wildest Dreams. And obviously that's on the 1989 album, and I picked this dress. In the music video, she wears a dress this color and similar to this style. I'd say mine's more formal than hers is. It's a bit longer. It's a little bit more full in the skirt area. I probably could have done some like upcycling with this dress, but I didn't really have the time, but I still think it's so pretty. I love this color. My light is kind of washing it out a little bit, but it's not quite, it's like reflecting off of this dress. But this is a very pretty blue color, like a baby blue, aqua blue. And I just think that this color is so good. I've always loved this color. I love the tulle on this dress and the tulle up here. I think that's really unique how it's just one shoulder has tulle on it and the other one doesn't. Super pretty. It was as close as I could get to what Taylor had, and I knew I had to get a dress like this because I love this color. I think this color suits my skin tone a lot, and people have already, like I posted this on my story today and a bunch of people liked it. So I hope people are excited for this video because it's gonna be so good. Next I have a dress from the Eras tour from the 1989 set. She plays a lot of acoustic songs in this dress. I just know I love the color and I love the dress, and I wanted to recreate this look. So I bought this long green dress, and it is similar to Taylor's flowy green dress that she wears on the Eras tour. I think she looks absolutely stunning in this color. I love her in green. I think she is beautiful in both green and the last like aqua blue dress I showed. She just knows what looks good on her, and she knows how to pull it off. And to be honest, I don't love this dress on me. I tried it on for the first time right before I filmed it. I think on me, like, I'm not big with ruffles on the sides because it just doesn't accentuate my waist very well, but it's still very beautiful. I still love it. Like, I think it's probably a 7 out of 10, 7.5, which is pretty good for me. It's really challenging to recreate celebrity looks, especially when your body types are completely opposite. She's tall and very thin, and I'm short and curvier, so it's just kind of hard to know exactly if it's gonna look good on me or not. Versus when you're tall and lean like that, I feel like you can get away with a lot more ruffles and a lot more layers. Next is from, I have 2 dresses from this music video. I was really inspired by her music videos from her 1989 era, which is a shame because unfortunately she's not owned the rights to these music videos, I don't believe. Hopefully she does some music videos, gets herself some credit. But this is from the Blank Space music video. This dress I bought, I think I bought this in an extra large, I don't know, but it's a little big on me in the like chest and like upper waist area, like my stomach, my torso. The bodice just like has a lot of material, and it's very beautiful. I love this dress. I think it's super close other than the sleeves. As far as the floral goes and the like pattern, I think that it's really similar to her dress in that video, which I could not find anything remotely close at first. I had to look for a few weeks before I found this dress. And obviously, like, her dress doesn't have any sleeves. It's halter style, and this has like poofy tea party dress sleeves. So I don't love the sleeves on this dress, but I think it's still super beautiful, and I can't wait to I might get this tailored actually. I might see if they can take it in and take away some of the length and just make it a bit more fitted to my body type, because when I hold it up to me, it literally is almost as tall as I am. Like, it's touching the floor right now, and like, I know you can't see it, but this dress is very big on me. I still had like so much fun searching for this dress, wearing this dress, shooting this dress, like showing you guys it's so beautiful. And you know, Shein has so many different items to choose from, and I was so excited when I saw this. It popped up on my Facebook page actually, and I was like, that looks like the Blank Space dress that I've been looking for. I have 2 more things to show you. I have another Eras Tour inspired outfit. I do believe this was from the 1989 set as well, and this might be one of my favorite things in this entire video. I was actually very pleasantly surprised when I tried it on, but it is a romper. The sequins keep getting stuck together, but it's a romper, and it's this blue color obviously, and it's so, I just love this color. I'm obsessed with it. I think Taylor should wear this color way more often. It reminds me of like the 1920s with the fringe and all of that. Gives me like Great Gatsby vibes a little bit with the fringe. Not so much the style obviously, but it's so pretty. And she wears a similar one like this on her tour, the Eras tour, and I just think she looks so fantastic. Her long legs are looking so fantastic right now because she's on tour. Like, her legs always look amazing, but they're like so beautiful. They're like perfect. Like, if I could take her legs and put them on my body, I would look really weird, first of all, if that's the only thing that I changed. But she has beautiful legs, and I think that like when she wears these rompers or jumpsuits or whatever she has that just accentuates her legs, I'm like, wow, that's insane. But let me tell you, it takes a lot. It takes a lot of work to keep your legs looking fabulous. It is painful actually, so God bless Taylor Swift, because I'm sure her legs hurt sometimes. All right, and last but not least, this is definitely my favorite dress of the whole entire video, This is also from the Blank Space music video, and this one makes more of a cameo appearance than the floral dress. This is the black dress that she wears when she's coming down the staircase, the big, grand, beautiful staircase at the beginning of the Blank Space video. And her dress has ruffles, and it just like flounces as she's coming down, and it's like she gives this like sultry stare, and it's like so good, and I just want to be her in that moment. I don't know if Taylor's confidence is real, but if it is, I want some of that. I need to be more confident. I need some of that confidence. I think like that's like one thing I admire most about her is her ability to just, whether she feels it or not, she always comes off so confident and so sure of herself, and I think that's really cool. Like it's so much more common, I think, for people to be insecure, and like even for myself, I've had plenty more opportunities to act insecure than I do confident, and it's just, confidence is so attractive, and I think that that's part of the reason why she's so popular, is because she sells whatever she does, and she owns it, and she embraces everything about herself, and she helps other people do that for themselves as well. And I think like if you're like that, you are such an attractive type of person. You are a leader, and like this world needs more of that, where you're just confident and not insecure. And I think like she's one of those people. So I think that she's awesome. That's all I got for you. That was so fast and so fun. I feel like this, like the 1989 one went so quick. Like when I filmed the Speak Now one, it took me forever, and I did less outfits. This one was just like so smooth and seamless. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you guys are enjoying her new music, and I am so excited that she has re-recorded 1989. It's definitely one of her most popular and well-known albums, and almost all of her hits are on that one. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you'll subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for more fun fashion videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.